kitchen. Today I'll be doing a variation of one of my favourite cafe drinks, which is an iced mocha. So I'm going to do a mocha milkshake, and this is a great way to unwind and relax at the end of a long hot day. To start with, we need a 1/4 cup of chopped vegan dark chocolate, and need to boil some water. And to the chocolate I just add 1 tablespoon of coffee powder, whichever you like. So that's all in a little bowl. So when the water is boiled, just put a 1/4 cup of water into the coffee and the chocolate. Just let it sit for a minute to melt. So now I'm just going to put a cup of almond milk into the blender jug, or any plant-based milk you like. And 2 scoops of your favourite vegan chocolate ice cream, or you can make your own, which I will show you another time. So just put 2 scoops in there, and just a pinch of cinnamon and a pinch of nutmeg. Okay, so now just stir the chocolate mixture. So when it's all dissolved, just pour it in. And then just blend. So when it's all blended, just put it in the freezer to chill for a minute while you get your glass ready. So just put it in a glass over ice. You can top with a bit of whipped coconut cream if you like, and a little more cinnamon and nutmeg sprinkled on top. And then just sit back, relax, enjoy. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.